Okay guys, welcome to my channel. First and foremost, I'm not a YouTuber. I don't make great professional videos and all that stuff. And I'm not a boat repair guy, but this is my boat. It's an 85 Bass Tracker. I bought it used to get a 60 horsepower motor off the back of it. Hung my Bass Tracker 9.9 on the back of it. Pretty nice boat. Guy did a pretty nice job just restoring various aspects of it. And I put it up for sale, and guy come look at it, and he was ready to buy it, but he noticed that my transom, which I didn't know much about, still don't, was kind of rotten. Down there at the bottom, you could actually stick a knife or fork, for that matter, in it, and it'll come it's real soft. So I've got to replace this thing, and I don't really have the first clue about how to do it, but I have watched some videos, so that makes me sort of a professional, right? Yeah, not. So I know I got to take these off. And that's about the extent of what I know, taking those off. I mean, there's no line, there's no seam here. I can take the rivets out here at the corner, but that doesn't help me with the weld here. So, I don't know. I got to try to figure it out. I can fold this back and get to the transom part there. We'll see how that goes. And same thing over here. Not really a lot of indications on how it's going to happen. Now I did look inside. I'll show you that if I can. The transom down here, I don't know if I can get the video on it or not, is actually three pieces. There's one, second one in the middle, and a third one over here. So that's the best view I can give you with it before I get the door off here. And I'm not even sure what you're seeing. We'll see. So I got to take that piece out. I got to take this piece out. So I guess I've got to get these rivets out of here and take that piece up. I don't know from there. But we're going to give it a shot. We're going to give it a go. See what we get. And again, I'm not a professional YouTuber, but I will try to post some updates as I do it. Have a blessed day. Okay, so I'm still looking at this thing. Looks like I'm going to have to take up all my railing. Just take it loose on these sides here. And that down there. Same thing on this side. By the way, if you hear chickens clucking, that's because I raise my own chickens. Eggs and that sort of thing. So, I got to get the motor off. There's that transom again. Still trying to see how that's going to come out of there, and I'm not really sure yet. So I probably got to take all this out of here, take the motor off, which I made a little motor stand for it. But you see this right down here. This is where it's really soft. You can just see. I mean, it's only a 10 horsepower motor. It's probably not going to go anywhere. First order of business is going to be get that motor off. So let's see what we can do.